Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating book that explores the science behind winning and losing. I'm talking about The Winner Effect by Ian H Robertson. If you're curious about how winning changes your brain and behavior, and how you can harness this knowledge to succeed, then this book is a must-read. So let's get into it! The Winner Effect delves into the neurological and psychological changes that occur when we win or lose. Ian Robertson, a renowned neuroscientist, explains how these changes can create a feedback loop that influences our future performance. Let's break down the core concepts and insights from this intriguing book. Concept 1. The Science of Winning. Robertson explains that winning increases the levels of testosterone and dopamine in the brain. These chemicals boost confidence and motivation, creating what's known as the winner effect. This effect makes you more likely to win again in the future. Robertson shares numerous studies and experiments that demonstrate this phenomenon. For example, he discusses how animals that win fights become more aggressive and dominant, making them more likely to win future battles. The same principle applies to humans in competitive situations. Concept 2. The feedback loop. Next, let's dive into the feedback loop of winning and losing. When you win, the surge of confidence and motivation makes you more likely to take on new challenges and succeed. Conversely, losing can lower your confidence and make you more likely to fail again. This feedback loop can create a cycle of success or a spiral of defeat. Robertson emphasizes the importance of breaking negative cycles by managing stress and maintaining a positive mindset. He also highlights how small wins can build momentum and lead to bigger successes. Concept 3. The role of testosterone. One of the key hormones discussed in the book is testosterone. While often associated with aggression, testosterone also plays a crucial role in confidence and risk-taking. Robertson explains how higher levels of testosterone can enhance performance in competitive situations. Interestingly, both men and women experience boosts in testosterone after winning, though the effects can vary. By understanding and harnessing this hormonal boost, you can improve your performance and increase your chances of success. Concept 4. The power of perception. Perception plays a significant role in the winner effect. How you perceive a challenge or competition can influence your performance. Robertson discusses the importance of framing situations positively and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. By adopting a growth mindset and visualizing success, you can enhance your confidence and improve your performance. This mental shift can be a powerful tool in turning potential defeats into victories. Concept 5. Strategies for building the winner effect. Robertson doesn't just explain the science, he also provides practical strategies for building the winner effect in your own life. This includes setting achievable goals, celebrating small wins, and learning from failures without letting them define you. One effective strategy is to break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small win boosts your confidence and builds momentum towards larger successes. Celebrate these wins to reinforce the positive feedback loop. Concept 6. The dark side of winning. While winning has many benefits, Robertson also warns about the potential downsides. The winner effect can lead to overconfidence and risky behavior if not managed properly. It's important to stay grounded and avoid letting success get to your head. Maintaining humility and a balanced perspective can help you avoid the pitfalls of overconfidence. Stay focused on continuous improvement and be mindful of the risks associated with unchecked confidence. Now let's talk about how you can apply these concepts in your daily life. Whether you're an athlete, entrepreneur, student, or professional, understanding the winner effect can help you enhance your performance and achieve your goals. In the gym, use the winner effect to push through challenging workouts. In the office, leverage small wins to build confidence and tackle bigger projects. As a student, celebrate academic achievements to boost your motivation for future exams. In conclusion, The Winner Effect by Ian H Robertson is a compelling exploration of the science behind winning and losing. By understanding how victories and defeats shape our brains and behavior, you can harness this knowledge to create a cycle of success in your own life. If you're looking to improve your performance and achieve your goals, I highly recommend picking up a copy of The Winner Effect. It's packed with fascinating insights and practical strategies that can help you succeed in any area of life. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and success strategies. And if you've read The Winner Effect, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How has it impacted your life? Take care, keep thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.